This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Nancy McCauley. This adorable home has so much to offer. It is much larger than it looks. Some updates have been done over time, but it has been rented for many years. Being sold as a cellar to do no repairs. It has a large kitchen with a slate floor, wood-covered living room ceiling, built-ins and gas logs in the fireplace. There are 3 dedicated bedrooms and a 4th that has a closet with an outside entrance and an additional room that could be an office. The yard is level and private and fenced in with a shed and a small deck. There is so much potential to bring the charm and character of this home back to glory. Roof and windows have been replaced. The home is centrally located in town and close to everything. There is a small cellar and it has built-in walk-up steps to an attic. Original hardwood